National University proudly upholds a legacy built on pride, class, and the spirit of genuine connection. Here, we believe in more than just academics. We're about creating a supportive family where friendships are nurtured, values are shared, and every student finds encouragement to reach their highest potential. Our community stands together, building lasting bonds and inspiring one another to excel both inside and outside the classroom.
Hi Nationalians! Andito tayo ngayon sa 8th floor ng Annex Building at mag-interview tayo ng mga estudyante. Dito na tayo ngayon. Sir, may tanong kami sa inyo. What's your name?
Ako nga pala si Marco B. Gorceles, tiga National University, MEC 243.
Okay, ito ang tanong namin sa iyo. Why National University?
Why National University kasi maayos yung education dito at mabilis siya makapunta sa bahay namin. Mabilis ako makarating sa school at para sa akin parang lang din. Nasanay na rin ako sa parang how it works sa school na to kasi parang katulad siya ng dati kong school.
Wala sa Pasig Catholic College pero National University the best. Bulldogs!
Thank you. Sir, may tanong ako sa inyo. What's your name?
My name is MGC Abio, taga Pasig.
Taga Pasig. Oh, ito ang tanong ko sa iyo. Why ENU? Bakit dito ka nag-aaral?
Nag-ENU po ako kasi dream school ko po ang ENU University.
At ngayon, andito tayo sa 9th floor ng Annex Building at pupunta tayo sa computer lab para mag-interview ng estudyante. Tara! Pasok ka. Uy! Sir! Boss, may tanong ako sa iyo. Wait lang ah. Anong pangalan niya?
Ako pala si Jordan Cyrus Abag, MEC 243 dito sa NU.
So, ang tanong ko sa'yo, bakit ka nag-aaral dito sa NU?
Simula nung bata pa lang ako, pangarap ko na talaga tong school na to. Simula kasi to sa mga ate at kuya ko kasi dito sila nagtapos. And isa pa, magaling sila sa sports and grabe talaga. Galing. Kaya proud ako sa NU. Proud ako naging Nationalians ako. Kaya,
Wow! Ano, laking NU pala to. Tignan natin kung tatapusin siya ng NU.
As we look to the future, National University remains deeply committed to our foundation of pride, respect, and enduring friendship. Our community is more than a place of learning. It's a family where every individual is valued, where friendships are built to last, and where each success is celebrated as a shared victory. We are dedicated to nurturing not just great students, but strong, compassionate individuals who go on to make a positive difference in the world. With every class, every challenge, and every friendship formed, we carry forward the legacy of National University. A legacy of unity, growth, and impact. Together, we stand prepared to shape a future that reflects the values we hold dear, inspiring countless generations to come.
We are proud Nationalians!